What's going on, guys? So I'm super excited. My package just showed up in the middle of doing an oil change on the Dodge Journey. And of course, the Corolla build's over there, this is for. I can't wait. So this is the Spl Mini V2. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up now that the mail lady has left. That way she's not making a bunch of clanging and banging. Let's see what we get. All right. Okay, Spl Lab Mini Base Meter V2 SEG. Completely autonomous, bright green LED, green display. 2 available power supplies. Okay, that's cool. Frequency range 20 to 120. Amplitude range is 120 to 165. Calibrated precision by 1/10. Voltage 1 to 20. Portable power pack included. Oh, I'm excited. So I ordered mine from Explicit Audio. I'll leave a link for it in the description. Okay, so we have just a basic, let's see, 2600 amp hour battery right here. So you can have it portable. That's awesome. This is the goods. Here is the cable for connecting it via 12-volt cigarette lighter. This must be one of the USBs. And this must be the one to charge our little power supply. Let's go ahead and see this little guy. Oh, there we go. It's got the protective film still on it. I'll leave that on for now, but it's got 2 nice little suction cups. What is that? That's how it measures. There's the power in, the USB. Got modes, reset, and hold. Oh man, I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to be metering a ton of builds that I've done and friends have done just to see what we get. Plus, we're going to try to beat the 150 mark on the Corolla right off the rip. So, let's see what we can do, guys.